Hey there everybody, it's Tim from Full Spectrum Laser. Today, we're going to show you how to do a camera capture with the Muse Titan. You may be wondering, how different can it be? It's just a big Muse, right? Well, the Muse 3D and Muse Core already stitched together 9 photos to give you a camera capture. And with the Muse Titan's increased bed size, we didn't just want to add more pictures for it to stitch together. Instead, we came up with a slightly different and much shorter process. We affixed the camera to the lid, so when the lid is opened, it can see the entire bed. Now we only need one photo. So first, we'll put in our material. Then, while leaving the lid open, we'll press our camera capture button. The gantry will then move out of the way, and you'll see this pop up in RE3. Once the laser head goes back to where you had it, you're good to go. You can also do this from the software. Just make sure your lid is open before you press the camera capture button. Now we can see a picture of our workspace, making placing cuts on used material super easy. So there you have it. That's how you do a camera capture on your Muse Titan. For more information on the Muse Titan and our other laser products, give us a call, shoot us an email, or contact our sales department. And until next time, keep making.